In this video, I will show you how you can use Fooocus AI without having a GPU by simply using a Google Colab website. With this site, we will be able to use one of Google's powerful GPUs through the cloud, which will allow us to use Fooocus AI completely for free. The first thing we have to do is to go to Google and search for Fooocus Colab and click on the first search result. This brings us to the Google Colab website. Here we see the code of Fooocus. Don't worry, you won't have to write any code. You only have to do two simple steps. First, we have to come to the top right corner and click on Connect. And now we simply need to come right here to the left and click on this play button. This pops up this warning, which basically says that the site is loaded from GitHub. We simply click on Run anyway. And now we wait for the code to run. This usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes. I will be back with you once it is done. Great. As you can see, the code is done running and we currently are at the bottom of the page. Now the only thing we have to do is to come up here where it says running on public URL and click on this link next to it. And boom. As you can see, we are at the Fooocus AI dashboard, which means that we have successfully run Fooocus AI on our PC without needing a GPU, simply by using the Fooocus Colab website. Don't forget to like and comment down below, and if you want to learn how to use Fooocus AI, click on this video right here.